Hey friends, welcome back. If you're in the market for a blender that really delivers, I'm talking crushing ice, frozen fruit, soups, nut butters, then you're in the right place. Today I'm showing you the top 5 powerful blenders you should consider in 2025. We'll look at performance, specs, who each one is best for, and I'll help you pick the one that fits your kitchen and budget. Let's dive in. Before we get into the models, a quick note on what makes a blender truly powerful. First, motor strength. Many pro blenders have 1,000 plus watts or multiple horsepower. Second, the jar plus blade design. Good shape pulls ingredients down into the blade so you don't get stuck bits. Third, capacity. Big enough for what you'll make. Single serve versus whole batch. Finally, versatility. Whether you'll be doing smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, or nut butters. Keep these in mind as we look at each model. First up, the Vitamix Propel Series 750. This one is a serious beast. With a 2.2 horsepower motor, a large 64-ounce container, and built-in programs including self-clean, it's built for those who want top-tier performance. Pros? Excellent build and brand reputation. Huge capacity. Handles soups and smoothies with ease. Cons? Premium price. Size may be overkill for casual use. Takes up countertop space. Who it's for? If you're regularly making large batches, doing hot soups, nut butters, or want one machine does everything, go for this. Next, Vitamix Explorian E310. This is still the same trusted brand. Similar performance DNA, but scaled down a bit. Smaller 48-ounce container means less bulk. Pros? Strong brand and build. Nearly pro performance for less. Better fit if you don't need massive capacity. Cons? Smaller jar may limit batch size. Fewer advanced programs compared to the 750. Who it's for? For households that want high performance but don't need the full-size monster machine. Third, Breville the Fresh and Furious. This one strikes a great balance. Premium feel, strong specs, but at a more moderate size and price. With a 50-ounce jar and about 1,100 watt motor, it's ideal for smoothies, daily blending. Pros? Very good value for money. Smart controls, great for everyday use. Cons? Not as powerful as the ultra-premium Vitamix. Capacity smaller, so if you're making big batches, might feel tight. Who it's for? If you want a high-quality blender for daily use, smoothies, frozen drinks, but you're not running a commercial kitchen. Fourth, Ninja Professional BL660. This is the value capacity king. With a huge 72-ounce pitcher and decent power, around 1,100 plus watts, it's great for family use or big batches. Pros? Excellent capacity for value. Strong performance for everyday blending. Lower barrier to entry. Cons? May not match the premium models for ultra-tough tasks. Nut butters, very fibrous foods. Build and materials may feel less premium. Who it's for? Families, smoothie lovers who make larger volumes, budget-conscious buyers wanting lots of blender for less money. Last, Ninja Detect TB301. This brings smart tech into the mix. The Blend Sense feature detects what you've put in. Ice, frozen fruit, portion size, and adjusts speed/time accordingly. You get the big 72-ounce jar and single-serve cups. Pros? Smart features make it user-friendly. Strong power for value. Flexible for both big batches and single servings. Cons? Smart features add complexity. Still not at the ultra-premium brand build level. Size and footprint may be larger. Who it's for? Tech-savvy users, smoothie enthusiasts who want both big batches and single serves, and those who like set-it-and-forget-it blending with smart features. Here's the quick breakdown. If you want ultimate performance and will use your blender for heavy-duty tasks, go with the Vitamix Propel. If you still want high performance, but with smaller size and slightly lower cost, Vitamix Explorian. If you want a strong all-rounder for daily smoothies /ice /casual soups, Breville the Fresh and Furious. If you're all about volume for value, Ninja BL660. And if you like smart features and want both large batches plus single-serve flexibility, Ninja Detect TB301. Use this to match your needs. How often will you blend? What tasks you'll do? How much volume? And what budget? Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you pick your next blender, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which one you're leaning toward.